So welcome back to Basin Motorsports and another episode of the Enthusiast Toolbox. I'm your host, Canaan Manley, here at Basin Motorsports, and today we are going to cover the socket and ratchet set. Now in the premier episode, we covered the toolbox, and of course that is what is going to hold all your tools, but now we need to start covering what is going to go in the toolbox. So probably one of the biggest things I actually use in the shop almost every time I come in the garage is a socket and ratchet set. Now there's a lot of different ways you can do this. I like the combo packs. That's really what I look for when I start buying tools. I love the combo packs. You can get them in all different sizes, all different ratchets, whatever you need. So some of the different things you can look for is a simple socket 6-point, and these are just kind of your standard length. They're about an inch long. These also come in standard or metric sizing, and if you're going to work on most cars from about 1975 forward, you're probably going to want a set of both, a standard and a metric size, because sometimes you never know, you actually have both of those on the car you're working on. Now when it comes to sockets and that, they're pretty standard. Most of them in this size are going to be a chrome finish. You can also get them anodized in different colors for different sizes, a pink, a yellow, a black, etc. Kind of up to you if you like just the chrome or you want the anodized colors. Now on the ratchets themselves, things you can look for are the ones like this that have a push button detent that help with a little ball on the trigger here, and then you've got one here you can flick back and forth. I like this one, it's very easy to use, but you really can't twist it this way. Secondary one I have, you can see it's got a twist on the back. Now, it doesn't have a flip like this one, it's got a twist, which, yeah, sometimes they get worn out and they're hard to do. But the beauty of this one over this is that you don't have to be able to twist. You can just do this when you're taking stuff out. Tight spark plug, can't do it with this one, you gotta have the wrench. This one, easy peasy. Twist on, twist off, love it. So now it's up to you to kind of look for what you want. I like both of these for the different applications. There's definitely some different sizes. You've got 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch, and anything beyond that, you're probably working on a diesel locomotive train. It does exist, and they are massive. So again, the best things I think you can look for is look for value. Look for the combo packs. Something simple. These babies will last forever if you take care of them. Keep them clean. And that's what I recommend. Get the combo packs for you guys. If you need a new set, get the combo pack. If you're buying a gift for anybody in your life or the next enthusiast in your family, get the combo pack. They're awesome. Standard, metric, get them both. You're gonna need them. I promise you, you'll need them. So that's it from Basin Motorsports. Remember, this is the stuff I definitely use every time I'm in the shop. I'll always give you links of value products I find online. Check the description for those, or you can check my shop on Amazon. Stuff I use all the time here in Basin Motorsports home garage. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This is the Enthusiast Toolbox.
Next level.